He is joyful, positive thinker, down to earth, hardworking, God-fearing. He teaches lessons he learned from the Bible, like the golden rule: do unto others what you like others do unto you. And always do your best in anything you do, because you get used to this, and this will help you succeed when you look for work in the future. Dad is a good kisser.
Oh, sino yun?
When we do something special, according to Alexis.
Oh, that's good.
Miss Alexis completed that. Because it happened a minute after her dad kissed her. That also helps us solve our problems when we're not afraid to come to him for advice. Like when I was applying for Apply Now Later plane fare going to Canada in 1966. There was an employee who was very suplada. She was not very kind. Because she looked at me like, oh, mahirap ito. Hindi ito makaka-afford ng fly now, pay later. She cannot pay later on. So she was very bad towards me. So my father was watching that. And when he went home, he talked to my mom in secret. And they agreed that the money they were saving to renovate our kitchen will be used for me to fly without having to use the fly now, pay later. So I was able to go to Canada, and in 4 months I was able to pay off what they spent for that they should have spent for the kitchen. So that's how my father is, one way. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Very good, very good. Oh, who's next?
Who's next na lang?
Oh, sino? Kabilang group 2.
Justin.
Si Kuya.
Who's group 2?
Si Kuya.
Thank you.
Ha?
Ah, si Casey muna. Aalis na daw si Casey.
Si Casey.
Di ba pwedeng ma-continue mamaya?
Gusto niya
Aalis na si Casey.
ngayon na. Alis na. Are you leaving? Now?
Oh, yun keep going. Okay,
Baka
si Justin.
bumalik na sila. Sabi ko punta.
Ang ba din dumaan?
Yung continuation na.
Pag naka-check.
Dito siya naka-air. Dura.
If you need
Hindi ba
this,
siya matutulog?
Thank you.
Kahit dumaan
Group.
ba siya?
one.
Hindi ka naman. Pero pag walang emergency. Diba, importante lang sa akin po emergency. Okay. Oh, everyone, group 2.
Group 2 na raw. Sino si
Group
group 2? Oh, sino yung leader niya?
Si Kuya.
Okay na. Oy, group 2 na.
pay
Makinig na
attention.
kayo dito.
Pay attention, group 2.
Mataalis na siya.
May pasok eh. Meron siyang gift eh.
Ito, hindi ko na ginagamit.
Bakit may ano na ito?